నమస్తే ఎన్టీవీ ప్రేక్షకులకు దీపావళి పండుగ శుభాకాంక్షలు. బుజ్జిమా ఈ పేరు వినగానే మనకి టక్కున సీరత్ కపూర్ గుర్తొచ్చేస్తుంది. సో సీరత్ కపూర్ మనకి పరిచయమై 6 ఇయర్స్ అయింది. 6 ఇయర్స్ నుంచి తను మంచి అవకాశం కోసం ట్రై చేస్తోంది, వెయిట్ చేస్తోంది. కానీ ఈ దీపావళి పండుగకి మా వింత గాథ వినుమ అనే సినిమాతో మన ముందుకి రాబోతోంది. ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ తనకి ఎంతో పేరు తీసుకొస్తోందని ఆశిస్తోంది. మరి ఆ సినిమా విశేషాలేంటో తన మాటల్లోనే విందాం. హాయ్ సీరత్.
హలో, ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
ఫైన్, చాలా బాగుంది మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడడం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
హ్యాపీ దీపావళి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. విష్ యూ ది సేమ్. విషింగ్ ఆల్ ది NTV viewers a very very happy Diwali and such a beautiful festive occasion to be here and spend time with you.
ఈ దీపావళికి మీ మూవీ రిలీజ్ అయింది, మా వింత గాథ వినుమా. ఇట్స్ యాక్చువల్గా టిపికల్ లాంగ్వేజ్, తెలుగులో కొంచెం టిపికల్. అసలు మీకు తెలుసా ఆ మీనింగ్ తెలుసా?
My unique love story.
Yeah,
correct, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
ఈ ఫెస్టివల్ ఎంత స్పెషల్ మీకు?
చాలా స్పెషల్గా ఉంది, especially because after lockdown tarvata, you know, we've been waiting to release this film. I think we shot this much before and it was in its post-production space and none of us knew when and how this film will sort of, you know, take to the theaters or whether it will find its OTT platform way. But I'm extremely excited because one, it's a character that nobody has seen me play before. Tamilian girl and very simple, very disciplined. So I'm extremely excited to see how the audience perceives me in this very girl next door light.
Oh, Tamil girl. ఓకే. సో యాక్చువల్గా తెలుగే కొంచెం కొంచెం వచ్చు మీకు, అండ్ తమిళ్లో మళ్ళీ అలా
dialogues were in Telugu.
Okay.
You know, it is just a element that I think the writers and the makers added to her as a backstory. You know, and the culture that they believe in and how orthodox they are or what are their family values. This is where you understand, you know, the culture of it, but it's not on the forefront of things. It's still essentially a love story between, you know, the two characters in the film and that constant cat fight that, you know, leads them to be together, be away, and the regular, you know, feeling that a love story would hold.
ఓకే, ఇది నార్మల్ రెగ్యులర్ ఫిలిం అంటే లవ్ స్టోరీ కాకుండా ఇంకా అదర్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి అని డైరెక్టర్ చెప్పారు, ఆదిత్య మాట్లాడుతూ చెప్పారు. సో ఏమి ఉంటాయి అంటే సస్పెన్స్ థ్రిల్లరా లేకపోతే కామెడీ ఉంటుందా?
Romantic comedy. But what's interesting is that it has a social world element also in it. You know how in today's scenario anything on social media kind of impacts people of different generations very uniquely, you know. So I think that's a very interesting space that, you know, the writers have tapped onto, and how that's kind of come together with the love story is essentially the crux of the film.
And Sidhu rasara ee story?
Yes.
He's
written it. He is done the production part of it. He has been around directing certain scenes. He's been part of the music. Sidhu is an all-rounder, and a lot of people would connect with him to Farhan Akhtar probably in Bollywood because there's so many similarities and he's so good at everything he does and he's extremely passionate. So this I think is his next baby after Krishna and his Leela along with Aditya, of course.
ఎస్, అంటే ఎవరు అప్రోచ్ అయ్యారు అంటే ఆల్రెడీ మీరు కృష్ణ అండ్ హిజ్ లీలాలో సిద్ధుతో వర్క్ చేశారు, సో సిద్ధునే అప్రోచ్ అయ్యారా లేకపోతే ఎవరు అప్రోచ్ అయ్యారు?
Actually what happened is, like you said, we were already shooting for Krishna and his Leela.
Okay.
This film had initially already, you know, they had shot it previously a little bit with a schedule with another actor. Somewhere I feel like, you know, they rethought that decision, and the thing is they had seen me perform in Krishna and his Leela, so then they started picturizing me and how I would be in this character. But the look was very important, you know. Somewhere I felt like they were very intimidated by the glamour quotient that I've been playing so far in most of my films, not all. Like Okakshanam was again very simple and relatable. So that was one barrier that had to really break. So we did a look test, we did the whole hair with like going almost Dabur black and you know, simple kajal, bindi, less makeup, because they wanted to see me as simple as it can be. know,
Okay.
not done up, very relatable. So we had actually done a look test for this film.
ఓకే.
And that's when I managed to convince them that I can also look like that. But of course, as a performer, I think they were already convinced through Krishna and his Leela.
ఓకే. అంటే చాలా సింపుల్ డోర్ నెక్స్ట్ గర్ల్ లాగా
Yes.
ఉంటుంది మీ క్యారెక్టర్ అండ్ లుక్. దీనికి లుక్ టెస్ట్ కూడా చేసి
Yeah, yeah.
దాని తర్వాత చేశారు.
Yeah,
సో
yeah.
లుక్ టెస్ట్లో మీరు ఎలా కన్విన్స్ చేశారు? అంటే మీరు అంటే మీన్ అటైర్ వైజ్ అంటున్నారా?
Attire also, there was a whole kurti and jeans, open hair, straight, bindi, kajal, very little lipstick. Almost like a bare minimal look, you know, because she's so focused and so career oriented. She's not someone who will deck up every day in front of the mirror. And I think her simplicity had to be her most prominent strength and quality in this film.
ఇన్ దిస్ మూవీ. ఓకే.
Yeah, so that had to come across.
ఆ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది? ఎందుకంటే థియేటర్స్లో రిలీజ్ అయితే బాగుండేదేమో.
I know, especially in this time and especially for this film, because I think people who have seen the film, they will understand that, see, there are certain films which are made for the grandeur of the visual. There are certain films where the grandeur becomes the emotion. And I think between the team, Adi, me, Sidhu, Sai, all of us would sit down together, Anthony, the art director on the film, and say, we wish that this emotion was experienced by audiences when they were sitting in unison together. You know, so it's a different experience altogether when you're watching it together. You know, the reactions of everyone around you. So that, of course, is something that we had hoped. But nonetheless, I think eventually we are all entertainers, and we're here to just share our work with the audiences, give them a good time.
అంటే అల్లు అరవింద్ గారు పోస్టర్ లాంచ్ చేశారు. సో ఆయన నేను మూవీ చూశాను అని పర్టికులర్గా చెప్పారు.
Yeah.
అంటే ఆయన రెస్పాన్స్ ఏంటో మీకు చెప్పారు? అంటే డైరెక్టర్ కానీ సిద్ధు కానీ ఎవరైనా మీతో షేర్ చేశారు?
Actually, through our promotions, I remember on a Zoom call, Allu Arvind sir had taken to notice of me specially, and he had very kindly, you know, mentioned that this is my career's best performance. That meant so much to me because I have been very, very emotionally attached to the film. It's been a long journey also, because literally between Sidhu and I, we're carrying the film from the first scene to the last scene. So when someone of his stature and caliber and experience takes notice of you, somewhere you feel like I have done something right. And I think that's the feeling I got. So I'm immensely grateful to Allu Arvind sir to be so supportive and kind, and appreciate young actors and talent and storytelling in general.
అంటే ఈ చిన్న మూవీస్ అంటే ఐ మీన్ బడ్జెట్ తక్కువ మూవీస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో థియేటర్స్లో రిలీజ్ చేయడం బెస్ట్ అంటారా, లేకపోతే ఇలాంటి ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ బెస్ట్ చాయిస్ అంటారా?
I mean, I think eventually that is a producer's call. You know, in this scenario, we all know that even when theaters open, it would have been a 30% audience occupancy. And out of that 30%, we don't know how many people will feel safe to come and sit around a crowd and watch a film. Personally, for me, I feel like my audience's safety is utmost important, you know, and I would never want to risk with that. But I think eventually it's the producers, you know, the business module and all of that that kicks into the whole format, and they decide.
దీంట్లో సాంగ్స్ జానా సాంగ్ కానివ్వండి,
Yeah.
దూరముగా సాంగ్
Yeah,
నాకు
yeah.
చాలా నచ్చినాయి ఆ రెండు సాంగ్స్.
Yeah, they're my favorite too. I feel the songs in this film are not just resonating with the youth, you know, it's something that I can play to my parents, to my grandparents, and even they will enjoy it. People who enjoy music in general, who enjoy dance in general, there's such a sweetness that is gone into every song. It's very fresh at the same time, and I am a music fan, you know, so for me, when I am a part of a film where music is an added element and a highlight to the film, it really puts a smile on my face. These tracks are on loop on my phone. I'm always listening to it while I'm traveling, and I think there's something very eternal about it.
ఈ దూరముగా సాంగ్ ఒకసారి మా కోసం పాడొచ్చు కదా?
దూరముగా నానా దూరముగా నానా నా 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 na 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 తెలిసే na 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 na
తనికెళ్ళ భారని గారి క్యారెక్టర్ ఏంటి దీంట్లో యాక్చువల్గా
impactful. Oh, that was next level. Shooting with Sir was next level because uh, he's so inquisitive, you know, of his scenes and idi ekra, you know, he's constantly thinking and planning and um, he's a very positive person around on set, you know, who's constantly trying to enhance what's already given to him.
మీ ఇద్దరి మీన్ ఏమంటారు దానికన్నా కూడా ఐ మీన్ కెమిస్ట్రీ
Yeah.
భరణి గారిది అండ్ సిద్ధుది ఇంకా చాలా బాగా వచ్చింది అని అంటున్నారు.
Yes. They were actually enjoying the whole process of the film making, you know, and that is what I think essentially got captured also. They were laughing, they were joking, they were mocking the scenes, there was, you know, all of that masti happening on set. So in that very jovial energy, you know, we kind of try to capture their conversations that they're having. And I mean, he's really someone that I look up to as an actor. Because not just of what he delivers, but his work ethic. It's so strong and it just keeps everyone else up on their toes on set.
మీరు చెప్పారు మా వింత గాథ వినుమా అంటే ఇట్స్ మై యూనిక్ లవ్ స్టోరీ అని మీరు చెప్పారు కదా.
Yes,
సో ఎంత యూనిక్ బికాస్ లవ్ స్టోరీస్ విత్ కామెడీ అండ్ రొమాంటిక్ కామెడీ మూవీస్ ఇవన్నీ చాలా వచ్చినాయి. సో ఎంత యూనిక్గా ఉంటుంది అండ్ యంగ్స్టర్స్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఈ టైంలో కాలేజ్కి ఎవరు వెళ్ళట్లేదు, అన్ని ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ ఆన్లైన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో ఇంట్లో ఉండి అండ్ హోల్ ఫ్యామిలీ చూడొచ్చా ఈ మూవీ, ఓన్లీ యంగ్స్టర్స్కి చూడొచ్చా, ఎలా ఉంటుంది?
It's eventually a family entertainer. From
Okay.
youngsters to parents to grandparents. It's a clean film, everyone can go, it's a light-hearted watch. But I think what's unique about it especially is the social media angle.
Okay.
You know, which comes into play. And like you mentioned, the youth today, they are so driven by, first of all, their college going students. That element is in the film. Talk about social media and how impressionable everyone is when they see a picture and they want to be as fit as this person, they want to be as slim as this person, they want to look as beautiful as that person. So just the impact that one has with what's going on, you know, with the whole social media front, I think that is what adds a very different element to the film. I don't think I've seen that done before.
రన్ రాజా రన్ తర్వాత మీకు అంత మంచి బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ కానివ్వండి, అంత మంచి ఫేమ్ ఇచ్చిన మూవీ రాలేదు, ఎందుకంటారు?
I don't know. I mean, I've been asked this before. You know, there are certain films which just hit that mark and it's very difficult to recreate it again. You know, as an actor, I feel really happy because I feel like every film I did after that, whether it was Tiger, whether it was Columbus, I think the characters that came to me were very, very interesting. Maybe somewhere the audience didn't enjoy the story as much, but I've learned this about the Telugu audience, that they love laughing, they love watching things which they can go back and feel good about and feel happy about. And I think Run Raja Run was that entire package, you know, with the song, the masti, the romance, everything. After that, it got a little bit more dramatic, I think, in Tiger. Columbus again had these elements, but I feel, I mean, essentially, it's just how it's panned out, you know. And I feel after watching this film, people will not question that anymore.
అండ్ బుజిమా సాంగ్స్ కానివ్వండి, అంటే ఎవరన్నా మిమ్మల్ని పిలిచారా అంటే దాని తర్వాత బుజిమా
Till today, wherever I go, I am called Bujima. It has not left me and I don't want it to leave me. I'm really, really happy that even, I think Run Raja Run was in 2014. We are in 20 now. 6 years down the line, nobody has forgotten Bujima.
బేసికలీ మీరు అంత మంచి డాన్సర్ అండ్ కొరియోగ్రాఫర్, కానీ మీకు అంత డాన్స్ నెంబర్స్ రాలేదు.
Yeah.
వస్తే బాగుంటుందని అనిపిస్తుందా మీకు?
I don't know if I don't want to complain about it. I think it's great in a way because in every film there has been some element. In Tachesi Chudu with Ravi Teja sir, we had a song, but it's not been as prominent as in Run Raja Run. which is fine for me because I feel post Run Raja Run I had opportunities as an actor to deliver above being a dancer, and I came from such a strong dance background, always focusing on that and training. For me to be perceived as an actor was actually more important. I've always wanted to feel like dance is an added sleeve, you know, to my collar. Music is an added sleeve to my collar, but essentially it is acting which I want to be recognized as. So I'm happy, and I feel like when the right opportunity comes my way, I will definitely go all out and project myself as a dancer as technically as I am trained.
హౌ మచ్ హ్యాపీ విత్ టాలీవుడ్తో మీరు ఎంత హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నారు?
Chala happy. Why do I have a reason to be unhappy? I have people who recognize the first film I've done. I'm still doing work here, and I feel like I'm attracting the kind of work that I'm looking forward to doing as an actor, especially with Krishna and his Leela, and now Mavinta Gada Vinuma.
వేరే ఇండస్ట్రీస్ నుంచి మీకు ఆఫర్స్ రాలేదా, లేకపోతే మీరు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపించలేదా?
Actually, Run Raja Run Tarvata, every day of mine was literally in Hyderabad.
ఓకే.
So I live in Bombay, but I barely spend time in Bombay to be able to take narrations for films there. In this time of the pandemic and everything, I've managed to give myself enough time in Bombay as well. And with that, you know, I've just shot my Bollywood debut already, and hopefully that will also release by December.
దాంట్లో మీరు ఎలాంటి రోల్ ప్లే చేస్తున్నారు?
Let's just say you've never seen me. You've seen me glam, but you've not seen me glam like that. That is the role. But there's a lot of layers to her even in that film. You know, she comes across very glamorous and all of that, but there are a lot of shades to her,
Okay.
which eventually the scenes reveal.
మీకు చాలా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ చేయడం చాలా ఇష్టం కదా.
Yeah.
సో బాలీవుడ్ డెబ్యూతో అది మీ డ్రీమ్ అంటే ఐ మీన్ సక్సెస్ అయినట్టేనా?
Well, yes. Success in the sense, I feel like being able to wake up every day and do what you really love doing, for me, I think that is success. You know, how well you do, whether it's been perceived the way you thought, these are all very irrelevant things that we tend to tell ourselves, you know, okay, at this year I will be launched and these many people will watch me, I will have a fan following of so much. All that is a part and parcel of the process, and that one only achieves once they really understand the craft. And I feel from the way I look at it, I've had every opportunity come my way which has helped me understand the actor I am. I'm here to improve, I'm here to learn.
ఈ 6 years జర్నీలో టాలీవుడ్లో మీకు సపోర్టివ్గా ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా?
Honestly, no, because I first of all don't stay in Hyderabad. Initially it was a little difficult because I had to understand the industry, I had to understand the audience and the culture here. So I had to give myself that time to gather all this information. But having said that, everyone I've worked with and you know, all the other co-actors, even people I haven't worked with, we've met them otherwise, and they've all been very, very warm, very inviting. I've made some really, you know, good friends in the industry, and it's all been really, really positive.
అండ్ దీని తర్వాత ఈ పాండమిక్ తర్వాత
Yeah.
అసలు మీ ప్లాన్స్ ఏంటి? అంటే వెబ్ సిరీస్ చేసే ఛాన్సెస్
I would
ఏమైనా
love to do a
ఉన్నాయా?
web series. I think it is a great platform to be able to experiment as an actor and do different roles. And there's no limit to you know, the layering that they do and the writing that there is. So I'm looking forward to being a part of.
మీకు బాగా నచ్చిన హైదరాబాద్లోనే ఎక్కువ ఉంటున్నాను అంటున్నారు కదా, ఎక్కడ హ్యాంగ్ అవుట్ అవుతూ ఉంటారు మీరు?
ఇది కోవిడ్లో రూమ్లో ఉంది, ఐ థింక్. But there are a couple of places here. I can't remember the names because I don't go out very often in Hyderabad. At best with, you know, the crew and a close friends of mine, it's usually at a house party, you know, but so I can't remember the places that I've been to. But I feel like Hyderabad definitely has a lot of space, and the lounges and the clubs here can give straight up competition to places in Mumbai for sure. You know, people in Bombay, my friends keep asking me how is Hyderabad, and so I said if you come there, you will not want to come back to Bombay.
Okay, and thank you so much for being here, and we wish you a very happy Deepavali to you.
Thank you so much. I wish you a very, very happy Deepavali, and I hope this year is spreading happiness for all of us. It's a new time right now. I feel it's a great time to start fresh and leave whatever else happened behind you, and take charge of yourself and the people you know you care for, and move on with a positive zest in life.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.